At Generation Global, we've asked ourselves one question: how do we use AI without losing what makes dialogue human? Our approach is simple. AI should support dialogue, not replace it. We use it to keep students at the center, to help broaden their perspectives, support better questions, strengthen critical thinking, and lower the pressure so that more students feel confident joining in. Students are already using AI in thoughtful ways. They use it to check facts, to translate, to rephrase what they mean, to organize their ideas, and to practice making respectful comments. So instead of becoming a shortcut, AI becomes a tool for clearer thinking and more effective communication. At Generation Global, we've introduced an AI companion tool to help students get started in dialogue. It lives in our written dialogue spaces and provides contextually aware sentence starters that model the specific dialogue action that a student selects. We've crafted it to only provide ideas on how to begin a response, never fully completed sentences. It helps students think, but the voice stays theirs. We've also recently introduced a new topic on artificial intelligence. This is where students explore what AI is, how it shapes communication, its benefits and the risks, and how to use it thoughtfully to strengthen dialogue. AI is here to stay. What we can do is use it thoughtfully to help young people use it with curiosity, care, and critical thinking to support deep and meaningful dialogue.